How to use Yupoo on Cnfans. Now, Yupoo is actually a specific platform that sells various or different kinds of products like clothing and gadgets and even more. Now, what you want to do from Yupoo is just to choose on your selected category that you'd like to purchase. So you can actually use Cnfans to purchase any products from Yupoo. They are trying to do this as an alternative way of ordering items from Yupoo because Yupoo is actually quite slow. So what you can do from here is just to choose on a specific product, copy the link, and paste it from Cnfans for you to be able to purchase items from Yupoo using Cnfans. And that's it. That's how you use Yupoo on Cnfans.